The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is just a few months away, and the rumor mill is already in overdrive. If you're a foldable phone enthusiast, there's plenty of juicy info floating around. So let's break down everything we know so far about Samsung's next big thing. If Samsung sticks to its usual playbook, we're looking at a July announcement for the Z Fold 7. They revealed the Z Fold 6 in July 2024 and the Z Fold 5 in July 2023. So it's safe to assume history will repeat itself. Backing this up, reliable leaker Ice Universe mentioned that Samsung's upcoming event, which could also feature some bone conduction headphones, is slated for July. So, mark your calendars. While Samsung hasn't officially shown off the Z Fold 7, Leaker On Leaks and Android Headlines have teamed up to create some renders based on insider info. And from what we're seeing, the Fold 7 isn't reinventing the wheel, but it is refining it. Here's how it stacks up against the Z Fold 6. The dimensions are 158.4 by 143.1 by 4.5 millimeters when unfolded, making it 1.1 millimeters thinner than the Z Fold 6. While the outer screen is reportedly 11 millimeters wider, which could mean a more comfortable typing and viewing experience. Talking about cameras, there is a triple lens setup on the back, housed in a layout that resembles the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which includes a 200 megapixel lens this time. Aside from the size tweaks, leaker Setsuna Digital claims the Fold 7 will feature a better screen, an improved hinge, a more optimized internal structure, and finally better water and dust resistance. We don't have exact specs yet, but based on Samsung's past behavior, the Z Fold 7 will likely run on the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip as the S25 Ultra. Unless Samsung surprises us with a Dimensity chip or an Exynos revival, you can expect flagship-tier performance, great for multitasking, gaming, and everything else. Battery life isn't expected to change either. Multiple reports say the Z Fold 7 will stick with the 4400 mAh battery from its predecessor, and charge speeds remain the same. Here's an interesting twist. Samsung might be removing the digitizer that makes the S Pen work on the Fold series. According to ET News, the company is exploring a different tech, which could be similar to Apple's Pencil, where the pen itself sends signals instead of relying on a built-in digitizer. Why the change? Simple, a thinner Fold 7. By ditching the digitizer, Samsung could shave off up to 0.6 millimeters of thickness, making it the slimmest Fold yet. Will it still have Bluetooth? No confirmation yet, but if it works like the Apple Pencil, Bluetooth features, like air gestures, should remain intact. While Samsung is keeping official details under wraps, the Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a refined, more polished upgrade rather than a total overhaul. A thinner, wider device with an improved display and durability sounds like a solid improvement. But what about you? Are you excited for the Z Fold 7? What features are you hoping to see? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's chat. Until next time, stay tech savvy.